Hey guys, this is Glenn from the Media TC Group, and in this quick tips tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can quickly format your Excel tables while preserving cell formats. In this example, I have a set of raw data that I'd like to format in a predefined table style. To do this, make sure you select the data that you'd like to include in the table. Go to the Home tab, and in the Styles group, click on Format as Table. Click on the table style you'd like to apply. And in the Create Table pop-up window, be sure to checkmark My Table has headers. If yours doesn't have a table header, you don't need to select this. Click OK. Your data should now have a table style applied to it. If you want to add more rows, be sure to select the bottom right corner of your table until you see the cursor change to a double-headed arrow. Drag down to allocate as many rows as you need to preserve and maintain the table style and cell formatting. If you added more rows than expected, simply drag the table back up to the desired amount. And that's how you apply a table style formatted table in Excel. Join me next time as I unlock more time-saving tips. This is Glenn from the Media TC Group, and thanks for watching until the end.